In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build and share an office manual step by step, using Notion as a simple and powerful source of truth for your team. An office manual is essential for onboarding, day-to-day operations, and making sure everyone knows where to find important information without constantly asking questions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your manual and how to share it with the right permissions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to create your office manual. This could be a shared workspace or a private page that you'll later share with your team. At the top of the page, add a clear heading and name it Office Manual. This makes it instantly obvious what this page is for. You can also add a short line underneath explaining that everything in the manual is an example and can be customized to fit your company's needs. Next, start building out the content of the manual. Begin with a section called Connectivity. This section is where employees can quickly find information they need to get online and start working. Under Connectivity, add your Wi-Fi details. For example, include the network name, such as Guest Network, and the password so people don't have to ask around when they arrive at the office. Right below that, add your printer information. List the printer name, like HP OfficeJet 400, and any notes your team needs to know about using it. After that, add a new section called Schedule. This is where you define how your team works together. Under Schedule, add your core hours, for example, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., so everyone knows when they're expected to be available. Then add details about recurring meetings, like a weekly stand-up. You can note something like Mondays at 9 a.m. and include the Zoom link directly in the manual so it's always easy to access. Next, create a section called Channels. This helps people understand how communication works in your company. Under Channels, list Slack and explain what it's used for, such as daily chats and sharing memes. Then add Notion as the source of truth for documentation, so everyone knows where official information lives. You can also add email and clarify that it's used for external clients only, which helps reduce confusion and unnecessary emails. After that, add an emergency section. This is especially important for any office environment. In this section, list the point person, such as the office manager, and include any critical information like the building access code. Make sure this section is easy to spot so people can find it quickly when they need it. Once your office manual content is complete, you can highlight important sections or add visual emphasis to make key information stand out. When you're ready to share the manual, click the Share button in the top corner of the Notion page. Type in the email address of the person or people you want to share it with. Then click the Permission dropdown and choose the access level you want. Select Can Edit if you want them to make changes, or Can Comment if you only want feedback without edits. Finally, click Invite to send access. And that's it. You've successfully built and shared an office manual that your entire team can rely on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.